Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open lower this morning. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.05% fall. Yesterday the market closed 0.12% higher at 7,652. In business news from this morning, the Coles Group report group sales revenue from continuing operations increased by 6.8% to $22.2 billion, with growth in supermarket sales revenue of 4.9% and liquor sales revenue of 1.8%. Group earnings before interest and tax fell 5.1% for the first half to $1.06 million. But earnings were flat at continuing operations. The other segment included $450 million of revenue in relation to the product supply arrangement with the Viva Energy Group. Excluding the other segment, sales revenue increased by 4.6%. The board has declared a fully franked interim dividend of 36 cents per share, with a record date of the 6th of March and a payment date of the 27th of March. Woodside Energy reports a 37% drop in full-year core profit and a 74% fall in earnings after taking write-downs on oil and gas ventures in the US and Western Australia. Woodside has achieved record production of 187.2 MMBOE and excellent operated LNG reliability of 98%. They recorded full-year net profit after tax of $1,660 million, an underlying NPAT of $3,320 million when adjusted for exceptional items. And operating cash flow was $6,145 million. The directors have determined a final dividend of 60 US cents per share, bringing the full-year dividend to 140 cents per share. Final dividend is fully franked and the value of the total year full dividend is $2,658 million. Calima Energy confirms that the sale of Blackspur Oil Corp to Astara Energy has been completed. Astara net profit proceeds of $81.6 million has been received. This amount reflects a provision for Canadian income tax and adjustment for net debt at closing. It's the company's objective to distribute in one tranche $80 million from the Blackspur sale to Calima shareholders in the most tax-effective form. The company is seeking an ATO ruling on this matter. Post-distribution, Calima will have $5 to $6 million cash and 100% interest in the Paradise Field in British Columbia, which generates around $350,000 in free cash flow annually. Let's take a break here. I'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. Let's take a look overseas now. The S&P 500 fell 0.38%. The Nasdaq Composite lost 0.13%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.16%. European markets closed mixed. London's FTSE fell 0.29%. Frankfurt added 0.02% and Paris lost 0.46%. In Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei added 0.35%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 0.54% and China's Shanghai Composite lost 0.93%. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.